All right, so I'm with Justin over here at Thailand Expat Language School. So he is a student over here for a long time now. So Justin, how has your experience been at Thailand Expat Language School?
Okay, so I've been studying with the school for about 3 months already. And yeah, I feel that my Thai language has improved quite considerably. I've been able to communicate and learn a lot of sentences in Thai, and it's enabled me to have conversations with lots of regular people, and has just made my life a lot easier when I've been living in Thailand.
So what you will say, it's easier to get ED visa, or it's like a little bit hard? What is your experience regarding the visa process, and was the school like helpful in it? Like the school was able to help you?
Yeah, so school have basically supported me in getting an education visa. They helped me, helped organize the documents, and also taking me to immigration to apply and to obtain the visa. And yeah, they've been very helpful.
And what you will say about the staff over there, have like the admin staff and also the teachers, have they been like helpful? How is your experience with the staff over there?
So with the administrative staff and the management of the people organizing the visas, they've been very clear. They've been very clear about what documents they need, and have helped me obtain any documents which I need in order to apply for the visa. And they've organized everything, and yeah, without them I wouldn't have been able to get the education visa. In terms of teaching as well, teacher Olivia, she's a great teacher. She's very friendly, and her English is very fluent. So if you have any questions, if you're a complete beginner when it comes to learning Thai, she's a very down-to-earth and very easygoing teacher to study with.
And what would you say on the location of the school? Is it convenient to reach here? And what's your opinion about the location?
Okay, so for me, because I live in Aonang, and the school here is kind of between the city of Krabi and Aonang. So it's about a 15-minute drive on my scooter. And yeah, so it's not too difficult to find. There's parking outside if you have a scooter, or the car you can park on the side of the road. Yeah, I have no issues with the location, and it's pretty convenient. There's a little coffee shop next to this place too. So if you need to get a drink before you come to class, that's fine too.
All right. So what do you like to recommend this school to some of your friends? Honestly, like.
So yeah, I think for people who are interested in staying in Thailand, like maybe somebody who has come here as a tourist for 2 or 3 months, and they like the country, they want to explore the country more, they want to learn about the culture and the language and experience Thailand as a whole, then applying for an education visa, it enables you to not only learn Thai, but also stay here a bit longer, so you can enjoy yourself and have fun learning and experiencing what it's like living in Thailand.
Sure. Thank you so much for your time, Justin. It was good having you at our school over here. So yeah, sure. Now you can enjoy the class.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.